Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Discord account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open User Settings. Launch Discord and click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the window to access your user settings. Step 2. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. In the User Settings menu, scroll down and select the Privacy and Safety tab on the left sidebar to find security options. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication section. Click on the Enable two-factor authentication button to start the setup process. Step 4. Verify your password. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, either through an authentication app or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Discord account. This will help keep your account secure from unauthorized access.